lovely experience to be here with the staff and the children. The idea is to offer the children an opportunity to try something new and to teach them about some creative possibilities for their future career should they choose to go into the arts, and to teach them a little bit about different types of art and design, because sometimes we think about art and painting as only being painting and drawing, but it's actually so much more than that. It's an expanded field, and it's to give them a little bit more context about the different fields that they could go into, whether it's design or fashion, could be architecture or photography, film, things that are related to the subjects that they're already studying as well, like engineering and maths. They need all of these things along with creativity. They need to really work together. So it's an opportunity to really broaden their mind a little bit. So it's been a very nice experience, and the children seem to enjoy it a lot, and it would be wonderful to be able to come back and offer more sessions in future. So I'm very grateful for the school to take the opportunity and the chance to offer the children something different like this, because not a lot of schools do it locally in the area. So thank you very much, and I hope that we get to come back and spend some more time with you soon.